In part 2 of disorders and diseases of the skin, we'll continue the pigmentation disorders and other important skin conditions every esthetician should recognize. Let's begin with pigmentation disorders. Pigmentation disorders happen when the skin produces too much or too little melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives your skin its color. These changes can be influenced by sun exposure, hormones, inflammation, genetics, and certain medical conditions. Understanding the cause of pigmentation is important before considering any treatment. Hyperpigmentation can show up as dark spots or uneven skin color. Sun exposure, hormones, inflammation, and skin injuries are common causes. It can affect different skin types and different areas of the face or body. Knowing the cause is important before choosing a treatment. There are several types of hyperpigmentation, and they don't look the same. Some appear as larger patches, while others appear as small dark spots. The most common types include melasma, sunspots, freckles, and PIH. Let's take a closer look at each one. Melasma is a common type of hyperpigmentation. It usually appears as brown or gray-brown patches, mostly on the face. It is often connected to hormones, pregnancy, and sun exposure. Sun protection is very important because the sun can make melasma darker. Lentiginous, also known as sunspots, are flat, brown spots that develop from repeated sun exposure. They are common on areas like the face, hands, and arms. They are usually harmless, but daily sun protection can help prevent them from becoming darker. Freckles are small, flat spots that usually appear on areas exposed to the sun. They can become darker with the sun exposure. Freckles are harmless and do not need treatment. PIH can appear after the skin has been irritated or inflamed. It can happen after acne, a skin injury, or some skin treatments. It leaves dark spots that can slowly fade over time. Hypopigmentation happens when some areas of the skin lose color and appear lighter. It can happen after skin damage, inflammation, or certain skin conditions. Some cases may improve over time, while others can be permanent. Vitiligo is a condition that causes the skin to lose its natural color, creating white patches. It can appear on different areas of the face and body. Vitiligo is not contagious and should be evaluated by a medical professional. Albinism is a condition where the body makes a little or no melanin. This causes very light skin, hair, and eyes. People with albinism are more sensitive to the sun, so sun protection is very important. When treating pigmentation, always consider the client's skin type and the cause. Sun protection is very important. As estheticians, we should know when to treat and when to refer to a medical professional. That's all for part 2 of disorders and diseases of the skin. In part 3, we'll learn about more skin conditions. See you in part 3.